Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an absolutely adorable YouTube intro using Canva, even if you're brand new to design. By the end, you'll be able to craft a professional-looking, super cute intro that will really make your YouTube videos stand out from the crowd. So let's jump right into it, no time to waste. First things first, head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a free online platform for designing just about anything you can imagine, super user-friendly and perfect for beginners. You can use it right from your browser, or if you have the app, that works just as well. Once you're on Canva's homepage, look for that big inviting Create a Design button, usually tucked right up at the top right corner. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, this next step is important for sizing everything perfectly for YouTube. In the search bar, start typing YouTube and you'll notice a bunch of options pop up. Here's a helpful tip for intros: choose YouTube Ad Portrait as your starting point. This template is sized nicely for mobile viewers and really grabs attention. It works well whether you're filming vertically or just want a more modern feel. One quick tip: if you know your audience mostly watches on desktops, you can always pick a landscape option, but portrait is surprisingly versatile these days. With your blank canvas ready, it's time to add your cute video. You can either upload your own pre-recorded intro clip or browse Canva's built-in media library for something that matches your style. Simply click Uploads if you're using your own clip, or head over to Videos to explore tons of adorable stock footage that Canva provides. Drag and drop your chosen video right onto the canvas. Adjust the size, move it around, have fun. This is where your personality really starts to shine through. If you need to trim the clip down a bit, just use Canva's simple crop and trim tools. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the timing just right. Patience pays off here. Now let's make your intro pop even more by adding text effects and animations. Click the text button on the left and add a title or your channel name, whatever you want your viewers to see first. Here, where you can unleash some creativity, highlight your text and try out different font styles, add shadows, pick fun colors, and experiment with the animated text options. For example, try the typewriter effect for a playful reveal, or breathe for a soft, gentle entrance. Animations keep things lively and will help your intro feel extra special. Next, let's make sure your intro sounds as good as it looks. Click on the Audio tab and either upload your own music or choose a track from Canva's library. Think about the mood you want: something upbeat and cheerful, or maybe a gentle melody. Add the audio to your project and take a moment to preview everything. Make sure your audio isn't too loud or too long for the video. You can easily trim the track so it fits perfectly with your visuals. And remember, a smooth transition between music and visuals helps the whole intro feel seamless. Before you finish up, take a step back and check your creation as a whole. Does everything look and sound natural? Maybe add some cute stickers, animated emojis, or little sparkles if it feels right. This is your chance to sprinkle in a bit of you. If something feels out of place, don't be afraid to adjust. Sometimes small tweaks make a big impact. When you're happy with how it looks, hit the share button in the top right and choose download. Make sure to select the MP4 format for crisp video quality that works flawlessly on YouTube. The download may take a moment, especially if you've got lots of animations or high-res video. Don't worry, that's totally normal. And that's it. Your adorable YouTube intro is now ready to be added to your next video. Just import the MP4 file into your video editor, place it at the beginning, and you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical, creative tips like this. Got questions or want to share your own intro creation? Drop a comment below. I love seeing what you guys come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!